How to make a public profile on Snapchat without being 18. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app, tap on your profile icon, tap on settings. Here on third option, tap on birthday. Here you can change your birthday and make it above 18. You can only change it limited number of times, so be careful. Once you change it to mm, above 18, go back and then you can see here my public profile. Tap on it, tap on OK. Then here you go. You have successfully created your public account. If you do not have this my public profile, you might have create public profile and from there you can create your public profile. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you got any queries, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.